Hi everybody, welcome back. It's Mark. Well, we're going through some footage. It's time to get back to making those classic videos that you like. So, before we get too carried away with fishing though, the other day I was out with Phil and we come pulling into the boat ramp and this is what I run into. I'm going to let you guys watch it and you tell me what you think. Who was wrong? But you can see many people on there as I'm pulling up. This older lady and the younger lady are brawling about being where they're at. So, and later on you hear this kid being, it's a boat ramp, and this lady was fighting with this when I got there, and she just wanted to fight with somebody. So anybody was the target.
Great, Waddle! Look what you fucking caught! Great, Waddle! Give me the damn life jack! Completely delightful! No. And he gets the kayak because he got out first. I get the... Oh my God, Ryan! I mean, Ryder! No! Give him a damn... Ryder! Yes, thank you! Yes, thank you! Yes, thank you! Wow! Look what you all causing! Give him a goddamn life jack! And how many boats have we had to buy? For him, for Ryder and you, Ryan, both. And how many... I'm not going to argue. I'm not going to argue, but... It is completely legal. If you're the one that fought, you won't give him a... You won't give him a... I'll fucking take you off. Ow! Stop! You give him the damn life jacket. No, you're grabbing me. Nice boat. Ryder.
Thank you.
Waddle, give him the damn life jacket.
I got it right now. I couldn't see it.
Ryder, give Levi the life jacket. He needs the life jacket.
He got the canoe first.
Ryder, he had the canoe first, yes, but he needs the life jacket to go across.
Give him the
The
kayak.
life jacket too when he has the kayak.
Give him the life jacket.
Life jacket too.
You just caused a fight. Do you want to cause another one? Just give him the goddamn life jacket. Give him life jacket.
What?
There's kids in the water. How about you let them know that?
It's a boat ramp, lady, not a park.
So let
I've been here for 10 minutes, lady. Are you blind? Get out of here. Beat it. Go to the park. It's my fucking neighborhood, lady. I live here. Yeah, well, then you would know that it's a boat ramp and not a park. Yeah, yep, I'm sure. Maybe be a little smarter and not have them play in a boat ramp.
Hey, maybe watch out. Be more cautious.
Yeah.
You should be on the other side. You shouldn't be on this side. We're fine here, Ariana. No, we're not. This is a boat ramp. We shouldn't be here. Where does it say boat ramp?
I don't know how many other people are playing at the ramp and how many boats are here? You tell me.
They're fine.
Levi, the life jacket is
Absolutely.
back there. Get the life jacket.
Be more cautious when you guys. Where?
It's over there
Lady,
by your
I
mom.
was here. You watched me come in. You should have corralled your kids. I don't know. Maybe there's some things I should not have said. I don't know. These people didn't seem like they cared about what was said. But at any rate, I wasn't in the mood to argue. Okay? All I pulled up to was a bunch of screaming memes going crazy. And I just didn't want to hear it. So I was very short. Who did it right? Who did it wrong? Leave a comment below. You tell me.